To record a mating record, on the home screen, click on the orange plus button. Next, select Mating Record. If you want to link to existing animals or groups, click on Link to Animals. Everything in orange will have to be entered on the record. So select the date, the ram used. You can select this from sires in flock, sires moved out, and you can add a sire if needs here as well. The optional fields here are rattle colour used and description. Once you are happy with these details, click on Next in the bottom right hand corner. Select the animals from this screen. You can also click through to groups and select from Smart Lists as well. You can see here we have 2 animals selected, and I will click on Save. This brings up the details of the record, and you can also see an Animals tab here as well. If you need to edit any of the details, click on the 3 dots in the top right hand corner and click on Edit. If you want to create a general job or note, you can click on the orange plus button, click on the mating record, and click on the general note section here. This time we need to enter the date, the ram used, and the number of ewes, and a description. And click on Save. Here again you will see all of the details for this mating record, and again you can click on the 3 dots to edit. If you'd like to view all of your mating records, click on the home screen, click on Breeding and Mating Records. Here you'll see all of the records that were created on this account, and you can click into each one to view its details.